Welcome to GadgetHub, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of hiking and uncovering some incredible gadgets that will revolutionize your outdoor adventures. Get ready to take your hiking experience to new heights. Backpack Power Station. Introducing a power station cleverly integrated into a backpack, designed to enhance your on-the-go experience. Want to watch a movie on a larger screen? No problem. Need to fire up the electric griller for a tasty meal? Charging your devices or even an e-scooter? Consider it done! And don't forget to adjust the angle of the light when engrossed in a book. When the moment arrives, simply harness the power of the sun with the built-in solar panels to recharge your backpack. Garmin XMAP 66i. Consider getting the compact Garmin XMAP 66i before embarking on a long journey. It comes preloaded with detailed topographical maps, allowing you to easily track your location. The 3-inch color screen remains readable in bright sunlight, and it provides real-time weather and geocaching information. In case of trouble, you can send an SMS or make a call for 24/7 search and rescue support. With a battery life of up to 200 hours in expedition mode, it's perfect for extended journeys. Stay on track and stay safe with this reliable GPS communicator. The LifeStraw Peak Series straw is a reliable and convenient tool for water filtration in the backcountry. It utilizes a hollow fiber membrane system to effectively remove bacteria, protozoa, chemicals, and microplastics, ensuring safe drinking water. The compact and innovative design features flip-top capped openings at the top and bottom of the straw, weighing only 2.1 ounces. It can be attached to a standard water bottle or gravity filtration system, adding to its versatility and convenience for outdoor activities. One of the notable features of the LifeStraw is its ease of use. Simply open the caps, dip the bottom cap into the water source, prime the filter with a few strong sips, and then drink through the straw. Maintenance is also straightforward. Priced under $20, the LifeStraw Peak Series straw offers great value. Moreover, the company is a certified B Corp and is dedicated to charitable work. When you purchase any of their products, a child in need receives 1 year of safe water through their Give Back program. This aspect adds a positive impact to your purchase, making it beneficial not just for yourself but also for those in need. The Lockhart Trip Alarm. When deep in the woods, you want to ensure that your boss or any other curious individuals, including foxes or bears, keep their distance. The Lockhart Trip Alarm is the ideal solution to communicate this message effectively. Setting up this system requires time, tools, and precision, but the results are well worth it. Here's how it works. When an animal tugs on the wire, it triggers the release of a pole ring, which launches a flare into the air. This action acts as a clear signal, alerting both you and the animal that something is amiss. For maximum effectiveness, we recommend placing multiple devices at different heights around the perimeter. With the Lockhart Trip Alarm, you can enhance your safety and discourage unwanted visitors while enjoying your time in the great outdoors. The Thermarest NeoAir X-Lite NXT sleeping pad is a top choice for campers seeking comfort, warmth, and a peaceful night's sleep in the great outdoors. It offers several enhancements over the original X-Lite model, making it a compelling option for outdoor enthusiasts. The standout feature of the NeoAir X-Lite NXT is its groundbreaking triangular core matrix construction. Inside the pad, you'll find 2 layers of triangular baffles that are bonded edge to edge, forming a stable and supportive sleep surface. This innovative design minimizes air movement and heat loss, ensuring a comfortable and warm sleeping experience. The pad remains stable even if you toss and turn throughout the night. The thermal capture technology is another noteworthy feature. This featherweight reflective film strategically redirects radiant heat back to your body, effectively increasing the overall warmth of the pad. With an R value of 4.5, the NeoAir X-Lite NXT provides insulation suitable for various seasons and conditions. The updated version of the pad offers an additional ½ inch of thickness, providing 3 inches of loft between you and the ground. This allows for a wider range of inflation levels, catering to personal preferences for a firm or plush sleeping surface. Despite the added thickness, the pad remains lightweight, weighing just 12.5 ounces, making it easy to pack and carry on your outdoor adventures. One significant improvement of the NeoWear X-Lite NXT is its noise reduction. It is 83% quieter than its predecessor, eliminating crinkling sounds that can disrupt your sleep and annoy your camping companions. The sleeping pad is available in various sizes and shapes to accommodate different preferences and sleeping styles. You can choose from rectangular or mummy-shaped options, depending on your preferred sleeping position and comfort requirements. In conclusion, the Thermarest NeoWear X-Lite NXT sleeping pad is a high-performance, ultralight sleeping pad that delivers exceptional comfort, warmth, and quietness. Its thoughtful design and construction make it a worthy investment for outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize a comfortable and undisturbed sleep experience, even at the cost of a slight weight increase. SOG Sync. The SOG Sync is a remarkable buckle that serves a dual purpose, just like an undercover agent. With a simple push of a button, it transforms into a versatile set of pliers and other essential tools for your on-the-go needs. It includes a knife, a bottle opener, several screwdrivers, and more, providing a total of 12 tools to cover all your requirements. No matter where you go, the SOG Sync ensures you always have the tools you need. Scrubble Wash Bag Mini. Are you planning a trip? Don't forget to bring the Scrubble Wash Bag Mini instead of a bulky washing machine. This compact version operates similarly to its larger counterparts. Just add water and detergent, seal and deflate the bag. Then, gently agitate the contents using the flexible internal washboard. The Scrubble Wash Bag Mini comes in various sizes, allowing you to choose according to your laundry needs. When not in use for washing clothes, it can serve as a regular bag or even a waterproof case for your phone. Goose Tent. When embarking on a bike adventure, packing can sometimes be challenging, especially when it comes to carrying a bulky tent. However, there's a solution: the Goose Tent. This unique camping system is specifically designed to attach to your bike, allowing you to set it up quickly at your desired location. Once you've reached your spot, simply unload your bike and unroll the tent. Inside, you'll find a mattress with a built-in sleeping bag for your comfort. Additionally, the tent includes an exterior waterproof cover, enabling you to sit comfortably in front of the fire. An added advantage is that this tent is designed to provide shelter not just for you but also for your bike. If you're traveling with a partner, there's also a larger size available. Outdoorsy Reusable Travel Cutlery Set. Designed for eco-conscious travelers, this compact set is incredibly convenient. Its collapsible design allows the entire set to fit in your pocket, ensuring easy portability. When you need it, assembly takes just a few seconds. Unlike disposable alternatives, Outdoorsy is made of sleek and durable stainless steel. Its stylish and polished look elevates your dining experience. Each kit comes with a convenient carrying box, and you have a range of cool colors to choose from. It's the perfect companion for any traveler looking to minimize their environmental footprint. MSR Guardian Gravity Water Purifier. Water is something we all need. Cooking, drinking, and hygiene being the outdoors makes those usual actions kind of challenging. Not anymore. This is a water purifier that'll provide you with 30 ounces of clean, odor-free water in just 2 minutes. The secret's in the hollow fiber filter with carbon components to get rid of dirt and chemicals and odors. The filter was originally developed for the US military, but now you can take it to your outdoor adventures. It's easy to use. Forget about pumping the water, just sets everything in place and watch the magic happen. One filter replaces 3,000 plastic. Roll-up solar charger. Meet the roll-up solar charger, your solution for charging devices without nearby outlets. Even in the absence of sunlight, it can power up your camera and more. Unroll and hang it on your backpack while hiking, or position it on your tent during camping. This charger is exceptionally portable, lightweight, and compact compared to traditional solar-powered power banks. What's even better is that it continues to work if one of the elements is damaged. Say goodbye to bulky chargers and create extra space in your backpack. Roll up this convenient solar charger and enjoy continuous power for your devices, wherever your adventures take you. Dynayak Power Station. Whatever the environment, this power plant won't let you down. Snow, rain, wind, dust, intense heat, or bitter cold. Simply remove the magnetic covers to reveal a variety of ports and outlets that can be used to charge your phone. The power stations can easily handle heavy-duty outdoor tools and appliances, and can simultaneously charge up to 8 devices. Time and the appropriate charging times. There are numerous options for doing that. That's relaxing. Finally, it is literally indestructible because it is dustproof, shockproof, and waterproof. Geyser System's Hot Portable Shower. After a long journey, a hot shower is the #1 thing on the to-do list. From now on, it's possible to enjoy water. Procedures anywhere you need that. This system holds a gallon of water and gets power from the charging port in your car. First, you need to boil some water with your camping stove, then pour it with cold water into the tank and wait about 20 to 30 minutes, and you'll get a steady stream of hot water. In fact, the system provides a full 7 minutes of hot water, which is more than enough to take a shower, wash the dishes, and even clean your gear. As the sponge on the edge of the cord simplifies the tasks, and it's so lightweight and portable, you'll definitely find a place to store it. Hindwan Portable Rechargeable Mosquito Killer. This portable mosquito repellent has 2 slots for the refills, so you can either use one or both at the same time. Insert the pads. Turn on the gadget and pick the mode at either 10 or 30 feet. Range protection, and most importantly, the thing is sturdy and completely waterproof. You can easily hang it on your backpack or inside the tent, featuring a large battery. This thing also doubles as a power bank for your phone. Ino Mad Uno. A never-ending power source is like a philosopher's stone to the travelers. Everyone wants to own it, but nobody's seen it until now. And no, it's not about the stone. This thing uses the power offlowing water and then turns it into energy. The blades are covered with a protective shield, so no one will be hurt. Okay, fix everything in its place and attach the devices anchored to something secure. And when this thing is full, just plug in a USB to juice up your mobile devices, and when it becomes drain, throw this power plant back into the water and repeat the steps. Titan Survivor Steel Ferrocerium Fire Starter. Fire starter made of Titan Survivor Steel Ferrocerium. This fire starter has 2 major advantages that make it the ideal addition to any survival kit. It is thicker and longer than the majority of the larger competitors' sizes. Lets you get more sparks and light the fire more quickly. The thick rod also has a longer lifespan, giving you 12,000 strikes. You are also free to use different types of starters, such as a knife or an axe. Additionally, you get a few extra tools that will help you survive in the wild, including an integrated emergency whistle and an incredibly tough paracord handle. This set will come in handy in any situation. Rescue Emergency Shears. These shears are essential for police officers and emergency medical technicians, so they'll function flawlessly in outdoor emergencies and assist you in getting rid of extra clothing. Even when folded, you still have access to the strap cutter, the oxygen tank wrench, and the glass breaker, and having a ruler close by is always helpful. One side will deal with jewelry. It will never leave your side thanks to the pocket clip, but you can also use the integrated holster to attach your multi-tool. It is incredibly small and revealing itself in just a few seconds. And that wraps up our exploration of these incredible hiking gadgets. I hope you've been inspired to take your outdoor adventures to new heights with these innovative tools. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting gadget reviews and outdoor adventures. Until next time, happy hiking!